Hi, I am Barry Farris, and in the next 2 or 3 minutes I'm going to do a quick start video for a Glacier Point Perfect Fountain. And it starts out with, it'll come in a box that looks pretty similar to this, and inside the box you'll find everything in bubble wrap and a 32-ounce refill bottle. And usually you can just grab the bubble wrap and pick it out, and the basin will be in a cardboard sleeve, and you just simply pull the cardboard out from the back. And here's some instructions in here that are really useful, and will help out both of us. And there is some instructions in there. There's a piece of cardboard that's keeping the probe from banging on the ceramic bowl and breaking it. And there's a little styrofoam that protects the electrical cords. So after you remove cardboard, styrofoam, those types of things, all you have to do is pour in 3 quarts of water. Plug in the 2 electrical plugs. This one's for the chiller, this one's for the pump. And I'm going to turn the elbow sideways so that you can see how that works. And the refill bottle, you just simply put a finger over the end of it, turn it upside down, and screw it in real quick. And be prepared to wipe up about a tablespoon of water. Usually flows all over. That's it. Any questions? Let me know, and we'll get everything to your satisfaction. Again, call me if you've got questions. Bye.